Good morning everyone. So today we have a Fiesta Style villa. This Fiesta Style villa has the extra addition of an underbuilt. It also has off-road parking and a pedestrian gate. We are on Sector Bay, very close to the amenities and the golf club. So it is in a great location. So straight down there, you can see the golf club from here. And just up that road to the next road is all the amenities, you know, and shops and everything. So excellent location for this property. You're only 20 minutes from the local beaches as well. And the airport's only 30 minutes from here. Cavera Murcia International. So let's go inside and have a look. You've got 2 steps up into the property, which means easy access. Just in here we come in and it is the living room. Nice space here. Just pan around for you guys. You've got those lovely traditional wooden windows, really nice. Now just come around, pan around for you, and as you can see we have aircon in here over the door. There is a door over there. Now that is the smallest of the 2 bedrooms in this property. So let's have a look. You have a single bed in here, but you can fit a double bed sidewards on. Okay. I'll just shut that door over a minute, pan around for you, and you've got those lovely windows. You've also got rejas and blackout blinds on the windows. And you've got a standard light above. Okay. So let me go back in through the living room again. Now through this archway just here, you have got your shower room. You have a shower there, nice and big. Got your WC, sink and vanity unit, and a mirror. Okay. All fully tiled, and you also have spotlights above. Okay, in here is the large bedroom. This is the master, it's the biggest of the 2, and you've got your traditional windows there. You've got some freestanding wardrobes as well. So I'll take you out and we go into the kitchen. So the kitchen has top and base units. It's also got a washing machine, an oven and a hob with your microwave there, sink and drainer, and a water filter tap. Just here you've got your fridge freezer, and you have got more cupboard space as well. Okay, so just through here is to the outside area. Now you have a drainer there. Some people would take the washing machine out and put it out here, and you have a water point there as well, and just give you an extra cupboard inside. So let's go upstairs and have a look around. Now I've just come upstairs and you have got, of course, your rooftop solarium. And this is your outside space. It's nice and big, and you can do almost anything to it. Okay. You could put some false grass down. You can put a hot tub up here, we'll take it, and some loungers. See the mountains above, or beyond I should say. And further down there, if I focus in, you can see the golf club. Okay, so let's go on. We go back downstairs again. So I've just come back downstairs now. I'm going to walk through, shut this door behind me. Now I'm going to show you the underbuild on this property. So you could have a little workroom or paint it out and maybe put a pool table there or something. Have a little area here where you could just put some rattan furniture, sit out the front. So here we go down here. There is drainage down here as well. So you've got quite a bit of storage area here. And then we just go down these steps. So we're down the steps here now. And I'm just showing you quickly that the underbuilt, it's quite big. So you could paint it out, put lighting in here, and then just put a pool table in here, a games room, whatever you wanted. Okay. So let's go back outside. Now we're just going back outside, guys. So what do you think of this property? A lovely little Fiesta on Sector B, right near the golf course and all the amenities. And we're not far from Matheron, Port of Matheron beaches either. So if you're interested in this property, do contact Dawn, info@tolettoseltobuy.com. Don't forget to insert the reference number of this property, which you will find in the title of the video, okay? Along with your contact details. So until the next time, take care.